Arrive in style with this 2002 Ford Focus SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power door locks, bucket seats, power steering, variable speed intermittent wipers, power windows, AM/FM stereo, aluminum wheels, floor mats, and power outlet. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.